What are your thoughts on the Abarth 695 Biposto record?
Absolutely awesome.
Beautiful.
It's so awesome.
I've always loved it.
Lovely looking car.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it. I think it's something a bit different, you know, and it's what we all want to achieve.
Good morning guys and welcome back to Steph AB TV. Now if you're not already subscribed to the family, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow my Instagram over here for more photos of the car behind me, because of course I brought the Biposto 695 Record Edition down to the Southeast Owners Club meet. Now you'll remember from the last time I came down to see these guys, we went to Bangers, and now we've come to a lovely little place here where everyone's kind of turned up and we've got a real array of cars. You can probably see behind me now, and you would have seen from the clips which I just showed you. I'm not entirely sure how many cars we've got just yet, but it looks like there's probably about 40 cars, and you can see Carly there. Hello, Carly. Now, what I love about Abarth, and I've always said it, is that there's the customization of them, and if you look behind me there, that one is pretty mental. That has been completely customized. I mean, completely different front end, completely low to the ground, very, very different to what I've ever seen before. Completely different kind of styling on this car. A very nice red diffuser here, again, completely different. Sophie's car right here, what's the paint colour?
It's Matte Metallic Sunrise, PWF wrap.
Matte Metallic Sunrise. I mean, look at that, with the sun hitting it, it just pops. John, what do you think? Yeah,
love it, love it. It's orange is the nuts.
It is indeed.
And if I didn't have yellow calipers, I'd have an orange wrap.
There you go. Very, very cool car. It's also very nice to see the Abarth range here with the 500 to the Spider to the Punto. We've got a Punto here today, which is good. Always nice to see the Punto guys coming down. You know what? I have to give a proper hats off to everybody who's come down here today, because in the video, it looks lovely. It looks like a lovely sunny day. But the reality of it is so cold. I think when I left the house, the car was telling me it was like -3 degrees. I mean, chaps, how cold are you right now?
So cold.
See, I'm not just saying it myself. So it is absolutely freezing.
I'm a bit chilly, but it's worth it.
It is worth it. I'm just telling the viewers that it looks deceiving on the camera.
It looks
like
lovely,
it's nice and sunny.
right? Cold, it's like -2.
It is, it's freezing.
But it's worth it.
Absolutely. Obviously, Paul's got his roll cage in here. Looking good, rear seat delete. What do you reckon? You got some work coming up soon.
Yeah, I have.
And would you reckon it'll be ready by summer?
It should be ready by Abarth Day 2018.
But you're going to put it on the track?
Yes.
There you go. And what we're going to do a bit later on is I put a post out on the Abarth Southeast Facebook page, because I'd like to get a couple of the guys who are standing behind me here. I don't know if you can see because of the sun glare, but I want to get a couple of the guys in the car to give me what they believe their thoughts are on the Abarth 695 Biposto. So we're all going to get some breakfast first. I'm going to plug the cameras in the car, and we're going to find out what everybody actually thinks about the Biposto Record Edition. And look at all these warm faces now chomping away at their breakfast. Hello, Nath. How's your meal? Oh, it's so much warmer in here. I need to get myself some warm food. Say again? It's not going in the video. All right, we'll remove that from the video. We won't. It's going in the video. Everyone's warming up. Oh, look at that buffet. Southeast Owners Club, you've done it right. Well done. Right, I'm going to tuck in. See you in a bit. I feel a little bit bad for my buddy Nave, seeing as I just recorded him eating his breakfast. So, should we take the Biposto out? Yes, please. There you go. Right, okay, Nave. So I'm taking you out in this because it's only fair, as I did mess him up. But check this: the guys from the AOC Southeast, they gave me a membership card. That's really nice. It's a really nice touch. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. I need to get. You do. Okay, I'm going to lose this. I'm going to put him down here. So.
Problem, there is no way.
Your car running 180
brake.
180, so similar to this.
Help me! No!
It's not going to be that bad, I promise.
It feels so much more blunt than my car does it.
What do you reckon? Nate loves it. He gets a seal of approval from Nate.
It's just the sound. It's so like you can just hear the acro that's sitting there.
Yeah. It does literally scream. Are we even now?
Yes, we're even.
Cool, we're even. Okay, so earlier on I said I wanted to get some opinions of Abarth owners on the Abarth 695 Biposto Record. What are your first impressions? What do you think?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I've driven it at a Bath Day last year.
And how was it?
It's beautiful, yeah, lovely.
It's so awesome. This is my favourite.
The roll bar.
The roll bar is so cool.
It does look cool.
And the carbon back seats.
Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. Love the carbon fibre spoiler, the diffuser on the back and down the sides as well. Lovely. Oh, the alloys as well.
The alloys are
to
nice.
die for. To
The
die
alloys are
for.
nice.
You know, without the radio, takes a bit of getting used to.
It does.
You know,
It
but
does.
no. So it's no, I like it. I think it's a really racing sort of heritage of Bath.
What are your thoughts on this, on the Biposto?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice,
A
isn't it?
definite yes from me.
Lovely looking car. Bit disappointed with the interior, if I'm
Yeah,
honest,
yeah.
because I suppose I'm looking season freewheel.
Yeah.
But it's stripped down in it, so
Yeah.
it is what it is. Been lucky enough to drive one.
Do you think you could daily this car?
Probably not.
Probably not. Probably not a daily car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you daily these cars.
Hardcore petrol head right here. Do you think you could daily it?
Yeah.
Hero. Petrol head. Would you daily it?
I would.
You would though, wouldn't you? You absolutely would.
I mean, that is just epic. It's worth it just for that in the back, isn't it?
The roll bar does look.
Especially when you know what it costs.
Yeah. Not cheap. Would you daily it?
No. No.
You wouldn't daily it.
But to be fair, I've only driven it on the track,
yeah.
so that's where it should be.
Yeah.
With an instructor sitting next to you, encouraging you to crack on a bit more.
Absolutely.
But
And
you couldn't daily it. When we did the Abarth Day,
Yeah.
and the guys took us out,
yeah.
it made you realise what the car could do.
Yeah, that's true.
It definitely made you realise, because you was sideways.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
you don't expect a front wheel drive car to be sideways.
No. They don't mess around, they do that.
No.
Those above the instructions.
No.
Good man, thanks John.
Cheers, thank you.
How was your breakfast?
It was alright. I made sure I had 2 rolls and a pastry.
Yeah.
Get me £8 worth.
Right, everybody, Carly.
Hi.
Carly, what are your thoughts on the 695 Biposto?
I've always loved it. It's nice that we've got a rarity factor. Don't see very many of them, so it's a treat when you do get to.
Yeah.
My opinion, that I wouldn't use it as a daily. If it was me, I would have a comp, but it's good as a toy.
Yeah.
Track is brilliant.
Yeah.
Loved doing a couple of laps in this on a track. Perfect. And the yellow.
Yellow's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's just that sort of lack of the creature comforts that you get with the comp. You
Yeah.
still get the performance.
Yeah.
The ride in this is very firm, so you've got to be a certain type of person to be able to live with this daily, I
Yeah.
think. But it's an amazing car, but for me it's a track toy, weekends, that kind of thing.
I agree.
Yeah.
And you got 2 for sale?
Yeah, there's still 2 with a bath.
Yeah.
At the depot there's 2 records and 1 normal matte magnesio.
There you
Still
go.
ready to
So,
go.
Professional saleswoman over here. Carly, high five.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, Steph.
So obviously you guys just saw Sophie's car a bit earlier on. I can't remember the paint. It's a wrap.
Yeah, it's a wrap. It's a
Mandarin,
wrap. We'll just call it
Mandarin style. No.
No,
No.
sunrise.
Sunrise wrap. Right. So Sophie, what do you think of the 695 Biposto?
Well, I love it. I think it's something a bit different, you know, and it's what we all want to achieve from our cars. You know, we're all modding them all the time, losing weight here,
Yeah.
you know, trimming things off there. But what is there to love about it? I mean, we were discussing it just now. There's nothing of it. There's, you know, no mod cons. You've got no aircon because of the weight. You've got
Yeah.
no stereo because of the weight.
Yeah.
You know, it is just nothing. But it's just the speed. Everyone loves it. It sounds great.
Yeah. I think I'd agree with you. I think it's. I mean, this was. You know, the Abarth race engineers in the factory just sat down for hours and hours and thought, I'll tell you what, let's make the most impractical car going.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's going to be absolutely ridiculous on a track, and I think that's where this is
That's
born
where
and
it is,
inspired.
yeah.
But Sophie, thank you. A very fair and balanced opinion.
Chilled.
High five. Right guys, it's been an absolutely incredible meet with the guys from the Southeast Owners Club. Thank you to everybody who jumped in the car to give me their opinions on the Abarth 695 Biposto record. Yes. But guys, that's my adventure now officially over with the Abarth 695 Biposto Record. A massive shout out to Abarth UK for loaning me the car. It's been absolutely brilliant. Guys, my name's been Steph. You guys have been awesome. Hit subscribe, make me happy. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.